Alright, when you're making mascarpone cheese, you only need 2 ingredients. Heavy whipping cream and half a cup fresh lemon. So I pour into the pan. You can use any kind of whipping cream, heavy cream. So you boil this to the medium heat about 15 minutes. Then you add fresh lemon. I'm gonna heat into the 15-minute medium heat. So it's been 5 minutes. It's a little bit still kind of warm, so you need to come here, stir that, make sure bottom not burning, okay? It's a medium heat, but make sure just stir that once in a while. Okay, this has been 10 or 15 minutes. When it starts boiling, you add half a cup lemon, fresh lemon juice. Then you mix. After you add the lemon, stay with the heat another 5 more minutes or 10 minutes. I think 5 minutes. Put the mascarpone cheese. After cool down, you put in the refrigerator. Separate milk and cream. You need to use cheesecloth, making separate the liquid. So I'm still stirring, and so couple more minutes. You turn up the heat, then you cool down 30 more minutes before you put in refrigerator and remove this. So right now 30 minutes waiting for the cooling. Okay, it's too hot to go in the refrigerator, so let them cool. Alright, so this is a cool down. After 30 minutes, now it's a cool down, not hot anymore. So you use this strainer and bowl like that. You put on top this strainer. That way, this bowl is the same size top. So when you do that, like that, so between the strainer bowl have a space. So when you put this cheese inside, and you can dripping bottom have a space, so you're not gonna be a standing water bottom. So make sure you have a bowl like this. Make sure you have a space between. Then this is a cheesecloth. I use a 4-layer cheesecloth. 2 layer is too thin. You right through the milk, so you don't want to lose all the cheese, creamy cheese. So you mix and you gently pour here. When you boil, you add lemon. Immediately they are more thicker. So this go in refrigerator at least 12 hours. They gonna dripping very slow, and cool temperature help more firm and thickness. So I'm gonna put cover like that. I don't want anything go in this. This go in the refrigerator 12 hours. Alright, this is nice night. I make this. Put in the refrigerator, and this is mascarpone cheese. Look at that, all the liquid stuff drain. Did you see that? All the milk coming. This called buttermilk. Then all the dry stuff here. Cheese. This is mascarpone cheese. So I have a mascarpone cheese. I'm gonna make some quick dessert. I'm excited about making this dessert. Strawberry mascarpone cream cheese, not cream cheese. Strawberry mascarpone. I'm gonna sprinkle some brown sugar. This is my brown candy sugar. You can use white granulated sugar or brown sugar. I use this a lot Sprinkle a little bit, and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it's gonna be all the sugar gonna melting into the strawberry. Okay, I'm so surprised. They came out so good. Nice texture. I like to taste how creamy is mascarpone before I make the dessert. Wow, melting in my mouth. It's so creamy. So I like to make some strawberry mascarpone dessert. So I add a little bit heavy cream, half a cup heavy cream. I need a whisk making cream. All right, I'm doing about 5 minutes heavy cream. Then I'm adding my mascarpone cheese, little bit vanilla, and some little bit salt. When I make this mascarpone, I don't add any salt, so I'm adding salt now. And little bit lemon juice, give it more fresh flavor. I need to add 2 teaspoons sugar. 5 minutes mix, and I add the same amount heavy cream, so mix together. Wow, look at this. I need to taste before I make a dessert. So perfect. If you like more sweet, you can add more sugar too, but because this is a dessert, I like to add 1 more teaspoon of sugar. Mix couple more minutes. Okay, perfect. All right, so its cream is ready. So I'm putting in the cup. Nice and sweet and juicy strawberry. Look very pretty already. Then you put more cream. More strawberry. This is gonna be tasted so good. I'm so excited to eat this. All right. See that? Beautiful. Mascarpone cream and strawberries, and I'm gonna put some chocolate syrup a little bit. Decoration for beautiful cheese I make. Then I'm making strawberry dessert with my cheese. What do you think about this? Beautiful. All right, I'm so excited. Taste my dessert here. Some chocolate, and look at this. So good. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so fresh and refreshing, and this is the best dessert I think I make so far. So at home, please make this dessert and mascarpone cheese. So easy to make. So if you like my video, please subscribe and like. So see you next time. Bye.